my little learners. I'm back again with another sound. The sound of S and H. And the sound will be shh. Yes, don't say anyone. Shh. So, before we start reading the letters, you first need to hear a story. And you have to guess how many shh words are in there. So let's start. Sherwin wanted to play with little sister Shirley. So can you hear the sh sound in Shirley? Yes. He took out his toy ship from the shelf and went to his sister's room. As he opened the door, Sherwin's mother said, "Shh, shh, shh, the baby is sleeping. If you want to play with your sister, you have to wait for a little while." So Sherwin shut the door and went downstairs. Sherwin's father, Sean, took him to the shop to buy chocolates. Sherwin promised to share the chocolates with his sister. So this was the story of the sound sh. And now the jingle. So this was the story of the sound sh. And now we'll do a little jingle. And you know the action of the sound sh is sh. Okay, now the jingle. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby is asleep and I am tired. Shh, 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 shh. Yes, this is the jingle of the sound shh. Now let's try read the words. Sh, o, p, shop. Let's read it once more time. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, e, shell. Sh, e, p, ship. Sh, e, p, ship. W, e, sh, wish. W, e, sh, wish. Sh, a, d, shed. Sh, a, d, shed. Sh, e, t, shirt. Sh, e, t, shirt. F, e, sh, fish. F, e, sh, fish. B, sh, brush. B, sh, brush. And the last one, sh, flash. Sh, flash. So kids, today we learned a new sound of sh, shh. Okay, and this is the action. Shh. Keep reading. Bye-bye.